Hi, my name is Adrian Schaefer. I am an industrial and car designer and I am from Germany, this country here. As you know, Germany is the leading country in the European Union and it's a very well-known country because it's technology. We're gonna talk about the APS21, the ankle protection system of the 21st century. What is it? Well, the ankle protection system looks like this. It's a protection system designed to integrate with a sport shoe. Basically, it protects your ankle. It does have a membrane here at the back to allow you free movement, and it's got this area here, an area of free movement. So basically this upper segment will be able to rotate under that pivot point and being able to move, allows your ankle to move. I mean, while you're running, practicing football, rugby, American football or baseball, and you will be able to run faster. At the same time, you will be protected because you got that, and those layers are inside of that piece here. In a few words, looks like this. If you're running, you will do like that, and that's the ankle protection system, the upper part, and that's your foot moving in a fast running movement. Obviously this part here also flexes, but it just owns a very easy done dummy, just so you can understand what it's all about. Keep going with the APS. The APS is a patented system. So it's patented in Germany, United Kingdom and US. And because we don't like to talk on the air, this is the patent of Adrian Schaefer. That's my name, Adrian Schaefer, that's me. That's the German patent. It's also patent here. We get the certificate from England, granted patent to Mr. Again, my name, Adrian Schaefer, that's me again. Patent in US. That's my name, very small there, but you see, if you see it there, but that's my name, the logo of US. That's a formality, which I have done maybe in the last 8 years of my life to being able to design or to come up out with the idea of designing this product. The problem is the following. In the practice of contact sports, the presence of fractures, lacerations, bruises in the ankle region take the worst part, and the numbers of his injuries are increasing worldwide. Here from all the injuries, worldwide, which are sprains, 47% happen in the lower ankle, 47%. And how you see, if someone kick you there with strength enough, it can actually break in one shot the tibia and fibula bone. And not only that, if it's a middle speed kick, it could make micro fractures there, and those micro fractures can stay inside of the joint and give you a big bad time. You can be injured for years with this, and this is what we want to avoid: the injuries in the inner area of the bones, the joint, and we want to avoid the injuries outside, the cuts on the skin, the bruises, the swollen after you get kicked. Again, you see I got a foot kicking in the side. If you got a plastic shell protecting you in the side, the plastic shell absorbs the impact, and if you have the studs here going over your skin, without this thing, you will have a massive abrasions, lacerations, so you have open cuts and bad injuries there. Okay, 1 second in 6 steps. What happened in 1 second? The foot travels at a speed between 34 and 80 miles, or the maximum speed 128 kilometers. Like I said already, what could happen. The whole energy concentrates in one point. The foot impacts the plastic shell outside, and all those materials, the foam materials and the gel capsule, absorb the impact and distribute it equally in the whole surface. So your talar dome will not have microfractures inside, and your skin outside will have no open cuts or swallows because this absorbs the impact. So basically a lot of those injuries could be avoided. In a few words, no direct impacts, no bone fracture, chips, no open trauma in the skin, also no cuts, no player out of the game. This is what we want to avoid. That's what we want. We don't want people to get bullied. We want people to practice sports. The kids, the juniors, and the professionals. This happens to everybody. And what happened? The energy, amount of energy that happened in football, for example. Someone kick you with that speed, 120 kilometers per hour, and you see what happened? That lower leg, it should be straight like this one, but you see it's got a V shape. And what's got a V shape? Because in the moment that the photo was taken, he was kicked so hard that it breaks the tibia and fibula bone at once. So that's a V shape because the bones are completely gone there. Well, that's a sample of what could happen in the contact sports. Okay, here is a photo. Look at that. Tell me what you think. I think it looks fantastic. I think people will love it. Look, you got protection there, you got area free movement, and you got fantastic shape. Nice colors. We can do this in 100 different colors or combinations. People will love it, and the most important is that the health of people who use it will be intact. A little while, here we go. So that's the APS, the shoe of the future, the contact sport shoe of the future, the APS21. Now we need those investors to invest. And before I go, I would like to say thank you. You are our capital, you make the difference. Without your investment, we cannot make it. So please, Mr. Investor, check out this because this is worth. Thank you very much. Bye.